You want to update your office but do not know how to do it? Hi there everyone, my name is Preetham and you are watching Technoholic, and in this video I will show you how you can update your Microsoft Office to the latest version. So without further ado, let's get started. I would say updating Microsoft Office, it is pretty easy. All we need to do here is we need to, first of all, start or open any Office app. So I'm gonna hit here on the start menu and then I'm gonna type Word. Now let's open it. Now go here on the bottom and click on account. Now here on the right hand side you will see update option. You click on it. Here you're gonna see these four options. Update now, going to update your office straight away. Disable updates will disable your office updates. In case of view update, it will show you what are the update you have for your office. Then about update, going to let you know about these updates. So what I'm gonna do first of all here is I'm gonna click on view updates so that I can see what is the latest update. So here we can see the latest update is version 2505 that came in June, and it is more of various bugs and performance fix. So let me actually go back, and here I'm gonna click on update option and click on update now. So what this option will do, this option will download the latest update and then will install it. And in this whole process, we also may see that it may also close our Office apps to install those updates. Now, all you need to do here is you need to wait. And there we go. So here we can see it says that update were successfully installed. Now let's click close, and then again let's click on file, account, and now here we can see we have got now the latest version of Office. So that's how guys you can update your Microsoft Office to the latest version. I hope guys you find this video helpful and informational. If so, then please do like and subscribe to Technoholic to see more such content related to office productivity, and I will catch you soon with one such another video. Till then, you take care and bye bye.